Get a prep center. That's it. That's the answer to the question. I don't even know what I'm gonna call this video yet, but like the answer, if you want to work less, is just get a prep center, because prepping your item takes so much time, and I'm gonna explain to you why. If you are on the verge, you do not know if you should get a prep center or not, if you should outsource prep, I'm gonna give you some arguments in today's video. But before we do, we have a Discord server, link in the description. Best place to actually meet new people selling on Amazon, best place to ask any questions you may have regarding selling on Amazon. So click the link in the description and join the Discord server. So by the time you see this video, I'll be long gone. I'm leaving the US for the summer. I don't know for how long exactly, but I will be long gone. And so what I had to do is I had a few products still at my house, a few stuff that I was supposed to sell FBM, a few stuff that is hazmat and stuff, and some products from Under Armour that I had to ship to my house because I never really placed order at Under Armour, and I did not know that they do not ship to commercial address. So no, if you don't know, Under Armour does not ship at commercial address. So if you have a prep center, try to get a prep center with the residential address if you want to source Under Armour. So yeah, to make it short, I had to prep a shipment, and it was not even that big, to be honest. And I came to the conclusion that I do not want to prep shipments anymore, like at all. I haven't been prepping shipments for like 3 months maybe, and like, to be honest, I did not have that many units, but it take almost the whole afternoon. It took so long. It sucks. Then you need to go, I need to bring the box downstairs and stuff. Need to go to I need to go to UPS, drop the box, and it sucks. It just sucks. So prepping shipments, prepping inventory is one thing. It's the thing that is going to actually take you the most time in your Amazon business, and it's one of the lowest return on investment tasks that you can do. When people say that prepping inventory, I mean, having a prep center is expensive, I disagree. Like, to be honest, your time is worth way more than that. By going with a prep center, I was able to like get the number of hours I work a day from probably 8-10 hours to like you guys know, like, to be honest, the last month I haven't been working even 1 hour a day in the Amazon business. I've been working maybe 20 minutes a day, and all that is just because I can work with the prep center, so I do not have to receive package, check that everything is inside, because this is the thing that we do not talk about as well. I do not have to check, like, to receive the package, open them, and it's time consuming. When you receive a lot of package every day, it's really time consuming, and it takes a lot of time, because the only thing that you think about is prepping and like sticking the labels and stuff, putting everything in inventory lab. Receiving package takes, it actually takes a long time, and like it clutter your house. Your house is full of boxes and stuff, and like it takes a long time to open your stuff, check that everything is inside, like that you received everything, and just mark everything, because I used to put everything in a spreadsheet, everything that I received. It's way easier now. By the way, if you haven't seen the video, I have a whole video of how I was managing my shipments and stuff. But yeah, people usually do not think about that. It's not just about prepping, but like receiving inventory takes a lot of time, and then when you need to prep, you need to label everything and stuff. It takes a lot of time. So if you're asking me, like, you're gonna be able to save so much time if you get with a prep center, that it's just crazy. Like, I literally went from 8 hours work day, and it's not only that, but it's also the stress of receiving package, like the stress, making sure that everything is there, like it's stuff on top of what you already need to do. It's just like outsourcing that you do not have to think about it at all, right? Your package arrives over there, they take care of it, you do not have to do anything. And I think I'm gonna do this until, like, I'm gonna go fully, like, 100% with the prep center until I actually get a warehouse. And I think, I think I made my mind up. When I'll come back to the US, I will get a warehouse. And maybe not directly, but this is definitely the plan, to get a warehouse and start, going deeper into wholesale as well. I'm going to start working on, opening more accounts and stuff and going to wholesale. But like, a prep center is going to free up so much time that, it's gonna allow you to try to think, like, to start thinking about those things that you can do to expand your business, right? So instead of prepping your inventory and, like, mindlessly prepping your inventory, not doing shit, not doing productive shit, you can actually, spend that time finding wholesale suppliers, spend that time getting better at sourcing, spend that time learning new stuff that will help you get ahead in your business. And not just, prepping is honestly the least important thing that you can do, the least the activity with the lowest return on investment that you can do in your Amazon business. All right. And so for that reason, I think that you should start, like you should outsource your prep center super fast, except if, you know, you're bootstrapping and you want to grow as fast as possible. Because yes, when you work with the prep center, there's a few items that you cannot, and I'll make a full videos on pros and cons of working with the prep center. But when you work with a prep center, there's a few items that you're not going to be able to buy anymore. So I know, for example, I had a lot of kids' clothes that I was buying super cheap. I'm not going to tell you the brands. And I was selling a lot of them. And I'm not really able to sell them anymore because of the prep center fee. But working with the prep center is super worth it. It's gonna free up a lot of time. You're really gonna be able to work maybe like less than 1 hour a day. You do not need to source that much, to be honest, to sustain this type of business. And yeah, so for that reason, you know, if you're on the verge, like get a prep center. It's gonna free up so much time. It's gonna help you scale your business. You can think about you can really focus on scaling your business and not like be stuck like tens of hours a week prepping inventory, because it adds up. And like at one point, before I actually started before I actually moved to my prep center, like I was prepping shipments for like 2 full days a week, like either 1 full day a week or 2 full days a week, it depends, but most of the time like 2 full days a week, it was just prepping like just prepping stuff that I received for the week. And so it started getting, you know, it started being a lot. And to be honest, like, what is it worth to you? Like 2 days of your week, of your time, what is it worth? Like, if you spend that time sourcing, it's worth like hundreds of dollars an hour. If you spend your time prepping, what is it worth? Like, to be honest, you can literally hire somebody $12 an hour to do it, and it's a low skill task. So if you have someone that you can hire to do it, like do it. If not, like just get a prep center. And a prep center is way less headaches. They take care of everything. They have good logistics. So do this. So as I said, I spent the whole day yesterday prepping my shipments, and it sucks. It really sucks. I'm never doing this again. Whenever I actually get a warehouse, I'll get employees to do that stuff. But like right now, of course, right now it's not wise for me to hire someone full time to do this. So I need to go with the prep center. But like definitely, it's the move. Stop prepping your inventory. It sucks. You're gonna see, like, once you get a prep center and you start prepping your inventory, you're gonna see how much it sucks. And it takes a long time to prep inventory. Like, I did not have that many units, probably like not even 100 units, but it took so long. And so yeah, for that reason, guys, get a prep center as soon as possible and start outsourcing stuff. All right. So thank you for watching this video. Join the Discord. I'm sorry, link in the description. Subscribe, like this video, watch these other videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.